Scientists here at UC Berkeley are taking 3D printing to an entirely new level. They've created a printer that can custom make objects in a matter of minutes. And according to researchers, this latest innovation has a promising future.
In many ways, it's mechanically it's simpler, but computationally it's much more demanding.
Instead of building something layer by layer as a traditional 3D printer would, the Replicator is far more sophisticated in its technology with a simple concept. Any kind of shape can materialize in a matter of only 2 minutes. Using the reverse process of a CT scan, this 3D printer shines rays of light onto this yellow liquid as it spins 360 degrees, creating solid 3D objects. An algorithm is used to generate a 3D model, which is converted into a movie. The liquid, called resin, hardens when activated by the blue light. The image is then molded into a smooth object. Here, you can literally see a blob of liquid come to life, in this case, as the thinker.
In terms of geometrical complexity, there's no particular geometry that you can't do with this.
According to Hussein Hadari, part of the team behind this revolutionary 3D printer, there are several limitations with conventional 3D printers that the Replicator can overcome. Hadari says its ability to make an object incredibly smooth will offer many solutions in the medical field.
In this particular process, and with the hydrogels that we've used and the self-supporting behavior of the resin, we can actually achieve stiffnesses as low as a few kilopascals, and basically that's the kind of material that you would need to make tissue structures.
In addition to tissue engineering, other things like optical lenses or other objects that depend on a particular surface roughness will benefit from the Replicator's cutting-edge technology. But the benefits don't stop at the doctor's office. According to Hadari, there's also a lot of potential to use the Replicator in space.
In our case, you actually ideally want to eliminate gravity, so you don't really need gravity at all. So it's actually ideal to have a setup like space.
An eco-friendly aspect to this 3D printer is its zero-waste component. After an object is made, the remaining liquid can be reused if it's stored in an oxygen-rich environment.
Other processes heavily rely on support structures, and these support structures are usually solid, so they either have to be dissolved, which is usually impossible to recover because it's dissolved in a bath of acetone or IPA, and so basically you get rid of that support structure as waste material.
While a patent was put in place 2 years ago, there are others in the works for its algorithm and materials. Now, this technology is still a work in progress. While tweaks are still being made to change an object's size or color, researchers say that the possibilities for this 3D printer are virtually endless. In Berkeley, Natasha Sweet, RT.